What was the Carrington Event? And what would happen today if it happened again?
The Carrington Event was a massive solar storm that struck Earth on September 1st to 2nd, 1859. Named after British astronomer Richard Carrington, who observed it, this event is the most intense geomagnetic storm on record and has become a benchmark for understanding the impact of solar activity on Earth. Here's what happened during the Carrington Event. Solar flare observation. On September 1st, 1859, Carrington and another astronomer, Richard Hodgson, independently observed a bright flash on the sun. This was a massive solar flare, a sudden release of energy in the sun's atmosphere. Coronal mass ejection, CME. Shortly after the flare, a massive coronal mass ejection, a burst of charged particles and magnetic fields, was sent hurtling towards Earth. The CME from this event reached Earth in just 17.5 hours, a record-breaking speed, when they usually take 2 to 3 days. Geomagnetic storm on Earth. When the CME hit Earth's magnetic field, it caused a geomagnetic storm. The impact was intense, triggering auroras that could be seen as far south as the Caribbean and Hawaii. In the northern United States, the auroras were so bright that people reported being able to read newspapers by their light. Electrical and communication disruption. The electrical currents induced in telegraph systems by the geomagnetic storm were so strong that they shocked operators and caused telegraph systems to malfunction. Some operators reported that even after disconnecting power supplies, telegraph lines continued to work on Earth currents alone. Sparks flew from equipment, and some telegraph stations caught fire. If a similar event occurred today, it would likely disrupt global satellite systems, GPS, power grids, and communication networks, causing major technological and economic challenges.